In this video, we will explore the 9 components of the almighty lean business model canvas, a practical framework for entrepreneurs to refine and validate their business models. To make it relatable, we will use the example of a startup producing cheese from soybeans. By the end, you will see how each building block helps you create a solid foundation for your venture. Basically, the lean business model canvas is divided into 9 building blocks that capture the essence of your business idea. These blocks include the problem, customer segments, unique value proposition, solution, channels, revenue streams, cost structure, key metrics, and unfair advantage. Each component plays a critical role in building and validating your business model. The first step is identifying the top 3 problems your product or service solves. For our soybean cheese startup, the problem might be high cost of dairy cheese, lactose intolerance, and dairy allergies, environmental concerns associated with dairy production. Validating these problems ensures you are solving issues that customers genuinely care about. Next, define your target audience. For the soybean cheese startup, potential customer segments could be health-conscious individuals, vegans, and vegetarians, lactose-intolerant consumers. Note that it is crucial to validate whether these groups are large enough, easily accessible, and willing to pay for your product or service. The unique value proposition articulates what makes your product unique. For soybean cheese, it could be affordability, lactose-free, and eco-friendly cheese with a rich taste. However, validate whether your UVP resonates with your target customers and differentiates your product from your competitors. The solution generally addresses the identified problems that your customers face. For our startup, the 3 features could include high protein, lactose-free soybean cheese, affordable pricing compared to traditional cheese in the market, sustainable production processes with minimal carbon footprint. These features must directly solve the problems identified and appeal to your target market. Channels refer to how you will reach your customers. For the soybean cheese startup, for example, this could include through e-commerce platforms, health food stores, social media advertisements, and others. It is important to validate whether these channels are effective and cost-efficient for reaching your target audience. You ought to define how you generate income. For our soybeans cheese, revenue streams could include direct product sales through online platforms and wholesale partnerships with grocery stores. At this stage, ensure your pricing strategy aligns perfectly with what your customers are willing to pay for. The cost structure includes the key expenses involved in running your business. For the soybean cheese startup, costs might include ingredient sourcing, cost of production facilities, cost of marketing and distribution. Similarly, validate whether these costs are sustainable and identify opportunities for efficiency. Key metrics help you measure the progress. For the soybean cheese business, relevant metrics could be the number of units sold, customer acquisition costs, customer retention rates, among others. It is important to track these metrics to provide actionable insights to guide decision-making. Finally, identify what sets you apart and is difficult to replicate. For our startup, this could be a proprietary method for producing soybean cheese with superior taste, or exclusive partnerships with sustainable soybean farmers. Strong brand loyalty among vegan communities could also help. This form of unfair advantage strengthens your position in the market and makes it hard for competitors to replicate your success while enabling easy penetration into the market. When using the lean canvas, remember that it's a dynamic tool. Continuously validate and refine each component based on customer feedback and prevailing market conditions. For our soybean cheese startup, early testing and iteration could reveal critical insights to improve the product and the business model. The lean canvas simplifies the process of building and refining your business idea. When you focus on these 9 essential blocks, you can address real customer needs, reduce risks, and position your venture for success. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights.